Hello dear students and welcome to e-learning classes. Children, today in civics we will start chapter number 4, that is state government. So let's start the chapter. Children, our country is governed at three levels: local, state and central level. And in this chapter we will study about the government at state level. Children, जिस तरीके से नेशनल लेवल पर लोकसभा होती है जिसे हम हाउस ऑफ द पीपल भी कहते हैं, द सेम वे एवरी स्टेट हैज़ द लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली और विधानसभा and constituted of member elected by the people of that state. In addition to the legislative assembly, some states also have another house that is similar to Rajya Sabha, and this house is called the legislative council or Vidhan Parishad. Children, state legislatures जिनमें दोनों ही चीज़ें होती हैं, लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली और लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल. दीज स्टेट्स आर कॉल्ड बाइकैमरल स्टेट लाइक उत्तर प्रदेश, आंध्र प्रदेश, बिहार, जम्मू कश्मीर, कर्नाटका, महाराष्ट्र. These are bicameral legislature state. And while those that have only one legislative assembly, they are called unicameral. Children, legislative council. Legislative council को विधान परिषद भी कहते हैं. This is also a upper house, and the size of the state's legislative council depends on the total strength of its legislative assembly. According to the constitution, it cannot be more than 1/3 of the strength of the legislative assembly and not less than 40. चिल्ड्रन, लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल जो है वो पार्टली नॉमिनेटेड और पार्टली इलेक्टेड बॉडी है. So 5-6 members of the legislative councils means MLCs are elected and remaining 1/6 are nominated. The common people are only indirectly involved in the elections to the council. The electoral college for the council elections comprises local authorities, teachers, graduates and MLAs, and each of these groups make up different council constituencies. The council elects its chairman and deputy chairman amongst its members. चिल्ड्रन, द काउंसिल, लेजिस्लेटिव काउंसिल जो है वो परमानेंट बॉडी है दैट कैन नॉट बी डिजॉल्व, और इसके मेंबर जो हैं वो इलेक्ट होते हैं फॉर द टर्म ऑफ 6 ईयर, और हर दूसरे साल में 1/3 मेंबर रिटायर होते रहते हैं. एंड टू फुलफिल दैट सीट्स जो खाली होती हैं उनके लिए इलेक्शंस होते रहते हैं. And to become a member of legislative council, a person needs to be a citizen of India and have his or her name on the voters list of the state. He or she should not below 30 years of age and should be mentally sound and financially not bankrupt. Next house is legislative assembly. Children, every state has legislative assembly जिसको विधानसभा भी बोलते हैं, and it is composed of representative directly elected by the people from the assembly constituencies within the state, and these territorial constituencies have been set up in such a way as to ensure proportional representation of the population in the assembly. Means जितना बड़ा स्टेट होता है उतने ज़्यादा मेंबर होते हैं. लाइक उत्तर प्रदेश इज़ अ लार्ज स्टेट, इट हैज़ 404 members in the legislative assembly, while the thinly populated state like Sikkim that has only 32 members. चिल्ड्रन, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन डिसाइड करता है इसकी अपर लिमिट और लोअर लिमिट की कितनी सीट्स होना चाहिए in the legislative assembly. So according to constitution it cannot be more than 500 or less than 60. But children, कुछ states हैं जैसे गोवा, मिजोरम, सिक्किम, दे आर थिनली पॉपुलेटेड स्टेट. इनमें इन स्टेट्स में 60 से भी कम मेंबर्स होते हैं लेजिस्लेटिव असेंबली में. Children, in addition to elected members, governor can nominate one member of the Anglo-Indian community if he or she feels that community is not adequately represented in the assembly. Children, assembly is led by speaker and deputy speaker, and the legislative assembly is elected for a term of 5 years under certain circumstances. However, the governor can dissolve the house before completion of its term, and the term may also be extended in case a state of emergency has been declared by the president. Children, the member of legislative assemblies are elected directly by the people. Once the assembly is dissolved, the election commission announces the program for general election to the state assembly, and the procedure